A credit builder's biggest impact depends on your credit profile, payment history, and the information reported to the credit bureaus. So there is no single credit builder that increases every person's score by the same amount. By the end, you'll know how to compare credit builders based on the factors that actually affect your credit report, instead of choosing one based only on promises. The best credit builder is usually the one that reports your account activity consistently, fits your budget, and helps you build a record of on-time payments. Credit builder products work by creating a way for your payment activity to be reflected on your credit report. When that information is reported, it can become part of how lenders view your credit history. The first thing to check is whether the product reports to the credit bureaus. A credit builder that does not report your activity cannot help create a stronger credit history through that reporting process. The second thing to check is the payment system. Look for a product with payments you can manage easily, because missed payments can hurt the same credit history you are trying to improve. The third thing to compare is the type of credit account being created. Different products use different structures, so the best option depends on what is missing from your current credit profile. If you have no credit history, focus on products designed to help establish a payment record. If you already have credit accounts, compare whether the product adds useful information to your existing profile. A common mistake is choosing a credit builder only because someone online says it raised their score quickly. Credit scores are calculated from your own credit information, so another person's result may not match yours. Before signing up, check the company's fees, payment terms, reporting practices, and cancellation rules. The right choice is the one you can keep active and manage correctly. To rank credit builders properly, compare 4 things: whether payments are reported, how the account works, what costs are involved, and whether it matches your credit situation. The fastest improvement usually comes from fixing the factors already hurting your report, such as missed payments, high balances, or inaccurate information. So the next step is simple. Review your credit report, identify what needs improvement, and choose a credit builder that supports that specific goal. A credit builder is a tool, not a guarantee. The results come from how the account is managed over time. If this helped you understand how to compare credit builders, subscribe for more credit and personal finance guides.